So third grade, you have just outlined your circle and outlined it with the chalk. Now what we are going to do is apply value to our circle to make a circle turn into a sphere. Please watch what I do. Very lightly, I am going to shade the side or the edges of my circle in a crescent shape. This might look kind of like a crescent moon or even a C. So you can fill that in, and then you can take your fingertip and smudge this in or smooth it in and around the edges, but we want to make sure not to go outside of the edges because we do not want to smudge or smear our circle all over the place. It's important that you maintain an area of black right here and then very, very white around the edges. I could even go in and add a little bit of extra white at the bottom and maybe a little bit of a highlight right here, which would show the reflection of light. All right, I want to show you some examples of what to do and what not to do when drawing your bubbles or your spheres. Here are a couple of examples of what we're not trying to do. We are not trying to draw our circle and then color the whole thing in one color. We are not trying to do that. That does not show any value, and therefore it does not show a form. Another thing we are not trying to do is draw our circle, and when we go to add our value, we're making a really hard line and really pressing down on the chalk. We don't want to see the really strong line between the white and the black here. That's not what we're trying to do. No. No. What we are trying to do, one last time just to show you, is to draw the circle, lightly shade in a light value in a crescent shape. Use your finger to smooth out around the edges. Then you can go in, add a little highlight at the back and on the top for a reflection.
Okay.
Yes, this is what we want.